How to create a membership site with WordPress, Part 2. This is the two-part series, and the first part can be found on Rankia YouTube channel. As we left off, payment gateways, SSL settings, these are important for your membership site. This plugin, as I've said, is very user-friendly because it has most of the popular payment processors, as in the options, are pre-built in for you. Let's take a look at Stripe. It will ask for a secret key and publishable key. These are obtained if you were to utilize Stripe. Simply go to this URL and sign up with them, and all you need to do is create a subscription plan for testing purposes first. Obviously, that's smart, because then they will provide the secret key and publishable key for you. If you were to utilize Stripe, you will require to provide the URL for the IPN, webhook URL, okay? Stripe doesn't charge you each month, but they take a bit of commission similar to PayPal. If you were to utilize Braintree as your credit card payment processor, then it is something similar to Stripe. You simply sign up and they will provide all the secret keys for testing as well as for live production as well. Now, let's try and understand what's going on with these payment processors. Let me request the levels page. Let's say someone selects the levels that we created in the previous video session. If someone was to select checkout with credit card, that option is not available there, right? But what if we now save this and use Stripe as our credit card processor? And let's refresh the page. Now, your potential members will have the option to check out with a credit card as well. That's why you need to select either one. For this plugin, you have many different popular ones as well that you may like to check out. I'm not going to recommend any one of them because that will totally depend on your business model. PayPal obviously is very popular. PayPal Standard doesn't have monthly fees. Payments Pro does have monthly fees, but it gives you API credentials. That means you can process credit cards on your site. If you have PayPal account, you simply log into your profile and press on Profile and Settings and find My Setting Tools. From there, you will require API access. All you need to do is press on Update link, then follow the procedures on the next screen for you to create API signature keys. API signature keys look something like this. You'll have a username, password, and the signature. Also, keep an eye out for this link here because you will always need to visit this if you're utilizing PayPal, My Automatic Payments. And you press on this update link because from there you can create subscription buttons and so on. Let's press on that so I can actually show you this while we're here. Similar to Pay Now buttons, you simply press on Create Subscription Plan, but also keep in mind all your members' details as they sign up can all be managed here as well. Let's create a subscription button. It is very straightforward. If you created any PayPal buttons, then it's the same process. But all you need to do is select subscriptions here instead of Buy Now buttons, okay? Also, while we're here, keep an eye out for customized advanced features. If you require your members' mailing address, then you select yes. If not, you select no. Now, these two links should always be utilized when you're creating PayPal buttons. Each of them will do something different. That means you simply provide the URL here from your website. Let's imagine as an example. That means if someone wants to cancel the checkout process while dealing with PayPal, then they can return to this URL whereby you can communicate something different to them. Whereas if someone wants to check out and all is confirmed, then you may like to take them to perhaps your login page for your WordPress site so they can log in and so on, okay? So that option is always there for you. Now, whether you're utilizing Stripe, Braintree, or whatever, they will all be able to provide you Sandbox API for testing purposes. If you're utilizing PayPal, simply go to developer.paypal.com, whereby you can create two different types of testing accounts. One is business type and the other one is personal. Personal API keys and login details and password will be provided to you for testing purposes. For business testing purposes, the business details coming from PayPal testing account will require you to place all those details into this box. I blurred this out for privacy reasons. Keep in mind, for PayPal Express, you can use it as an extension. Meaning, let's imagine you selected Stripe payments as well. That means your potential members will be able to check out using their credit card, and Stripe will process that for you. But if you were to utilize PayPal Express, then they can press on checkout with PayPal option and checkout with PayPal as well. So basically you provide two different options for better conversions anyway. Setting up payment gateways using Paid Memberships Pro is very straightforward. But what is required is that SSL certificate must be installed on your web server. For this tutorial, I actually created this website for you, but I haven't got SSL certificates installed. If you don't have SSL certificates installed on your web server, you simply contact your web hosting provider for a small fee per year. They can set that up for you. Once all that is installed, then if someone wants to request your website, as in if you go to your website and visit your website with HTTPS, then that means your website is SSL secure, which is called Secure Socket Layer Protocol. And you'll end up seeing this green key icon. That is required for your membership site to start accepting payments. While we're here, let's go and press on menu link for our membership site. For testing purposes, I've created a couple of menus. Let's grab all the pages related to our membership site and add them on our menus. Now I can move them, drag them up, down, or make them go on this side and so on. You will need to explore which options you would like to show up on the menu link, because it's only smart for your members to log into your membership site and then have a menu link whereby they can quickly access their account details. Let's save menu. Here, let me refresh my site to see those menu options. Now, once you sort your payment processors, which is very easy, then when someone checks out, if you need their billing details, they provide that. If not, you simply deselect that option through whichever payment option that you're using, right? Now, let's imagine membership invoice. Let's press on that. there is no invoices because I didn't create an account with my membership site. But if I invoiced my members, then they will see their invoice here. All this is done automatically with this plugin. So you basically sit back because right now your membership site is working. Once you get the payment processing working. Actually, let me go and add myself as a member while we're here so that I can show you many different ways you'll end up using this plugin. Let's go to users. I am the admin for my site. That means I can press on my username. I can then go and select basic level for private videos. Expires no, because I am the admin. Let me update my profile. Now basically through users menu option you can add members manually if you so choose. Well, if you add them manually, then that means they're not gonna pay you for your membership site, but that option is available for you. Now once the sample member is there, I can press on memberships menu link and then I can go to members list. Now you can see that there is a member here. You can press on this username. It will take you to different details for your members. Let's press on membership option menu. Then let's take a look at reports. As you can see, the reports will be shown to you as your membership site grows. So as you can see with this plugin, you can see the reports, you can see orders, who ordered, which discount codes they used, transaction IDs for whichever payment gateway that you use, discount codes. With a couple of clicks you can create discount codes as well. Press on create your first code. You can either let it automatically generate it or 2016 special, whatever, right? You can start date, expiration date for that discount code. Let's say only 100 times can be used for this level, and let's save the code. Now if someone wants to select, when they're checking out, they can simply enter that code, apply, and voila, discount code is added. As you can see, this is why we're using Pay Memberships Pro membership plugin, because not only you can install it, you can really do a lot of stuff with it, customize your pages, do all sorts of stuff with this. But managing your members becomes very easy through reporting and so on. And whatever you do, don't forget to check this URL whereby you have options for all the different add-ons that you may like to check out. At the end of the day, I thank you very much for learning with me and subscribing to Rankia YouTube channel. And if you found this video of use, please give me a like and share this video. And I'm wishing you great success with your new membership site. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.